Standard 10th, Math first. Our first chapter, linear equation in two variable. On our previous videos, we have seen that the information about the what is meant by the linear equation, general form of linear equation, and also we have started the simultaneous linear equations. In practice set 1.1, we are trying to complete the first activity. Now we see that the second question, that is solve the simultaneous equation. खालील एक सामायिक समीकरण सोडवा. Okay. Now example is a 3a plus 5b equal to 26, comma a plus 5b equal to 22. आता हे example आपल्याला solve करायचं. Simple way. Okay. Now first 3a plus 5b equal to 26. This is my equation number 1. Now a plus 5b, this is my equal to 22. This is our equation number 2. Means first we write down the given equation, first equation and second equation. Now if you observe, now to solve the simultaneous equation, there is we have observed the coefficient. Now coefficient of a in first equation is 3, in second equation is 1. जर आपण विचार केला पहिल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये a चा सहगुणक काय कोएफिशिएंट 3 आहे, सेकंड मध्ये 1 आहे. आता सेकंड मध्ये b चा कोएफिशिएंट 5, b चा कोएफिशिएंट फर्स्ट मध्ये 5 येतो. In that these two equations the coefficient of b are equal, that is a 5. म्हणजे काय, b चा सहगुणक b चा कोएफिशिएंट काय सेम आहे. आणि जर आपण त्याचा साइनचा विचार केला, बघा साइन काय दोघांची प्लस प्लस. आपल्याला माहिती आहे, we knows that if the plus sign is comes, we have make the subtraction, and if the opposite sign is comes, at that time we write down the opposite sign is comes, at that time we have make the addition. Now let's subtract equation second from equation 1. Let's subtract equations 2 from equation 1. Okay. Now what is our first equation here? 3a plus 5b equal to 26. a plus 5b equal to 22. Now we have make the subtraction. आपण त्यांचे काय करतोय, वजाबाकी करतोय, सबट्रॅक्शन करतोय. When we make the subtraction, at that time signs are changes. वजाबाकी करताना काय होतं, चिन्ह बदलतात. Means here is a plus sign, it comes here minus. That 5b is a plus sign, it comes as a minus. 22 is plus sign, it is also minus. Now if you observe, 5b is plus and that 5b is a minus, means both are cancelled. 3a minus a, that's equal to 2a. Here 26 minus 22, that is a 4. Means how many, what is the sign of 4? Plus sign, because 26 is plus and 22 is a minus. Okay. Now 2a equal to 4, hence a equal to, we write down 4 upon 2, hence we get a equal to 2. Now here first we find out the value of a. Now put the value of a in equation number 1 or 2. That depends on you put that value in any equation. Okay, I put the value of a in equation 1. In your textbook they says that place the value of a in equation 1. That depends on Now put the value of a equal to 2 in equation 1. What is our equation 1 now? 3a plus 5b. 3a plus 5b equal to how many? 26. 3 into the value of a is what? 2. We have put here 3 into 2 plus 5b as it is equal to 26. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 5b equal to 26. Hence 5b equal to 26 minus 6. 5b equal to 20. Hence b equal to, we write down here 20 divided by 5. Hence b equal to, we get answer 5 on the 5, 5 4 the 20, b equal to 4. Now give here always the therefore sign. We have find out the solution. Hence solution we write down a comma b is equal to, what is the first value? A equal to 2 and b equal to 4. It is the solution. Now if you see that our answer is right or wrong, म्हणजे काय आपलं जे आन्सर आलंय 2,4 2,4 हे बरोबर आहे का चूक आहे आपण चेक करून घ्यायचं. ते कसं चेक करायचं बघा. If we put the value of a equal to 2 and b equal to 4 in any equation 1 or 2, if LHS comes to RHS, LHS and RHS is comes to equal, at that time we say that the our answer is right. मी काय बोललो, जर आपण a आणि b च्या किमती 1 किंवा 2 कोणत्याही इक्वेशन मध्ये टाकल्यावर जर डावी बाजू आणि उजवी बाजू जर सारखी येत असेल तर समजायचं आपलं उत्तर काय बरोबर आहे. ओके, दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. नाउ सेकंड एक्झाम्पल वी सी. Next example, suppose 2x minus 3y. Second example, 2x minus 3y is equal to 9 is equal to 9, comma 2x plus y equal to 13. 2x plus y is equal to 13. Now 2x minus 3y equal to 9 and 2x plus y equal to 13. We solve that example. 2x minus 3y equal to 9. This is our equation number first. 2x plus y is equal to 13. This is our equation number 2. बघा, पहिली इक्वेशन दुसरी इक्वेशन घेतली आपण. आता सेकंड स्टेप काय आहे आपले? We want to see the coefficient of x and y, coefficients of variable. If the coefficients are equal, then we go to next statement. Now if you observe directly, the coefficient of x in first and second equations are equal, 2 2. Okay, now if you observe sign, what is the sign of both? Both the sign has a plus, means same sign is comes. If the same sign is comes, means we make their subtraction. Okay, now we write down here, we subtract the equation second from first. Now here पहिल्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये मी काय बोललो होतो बघा, सबट्रॅक्ट इक्वेशन सेकंड फ्रॉम फर्स्ट. म्हणजे पहिले काय करतो मी दुसरीतून वजा करतो. आता इथं काय करतो बघा, 1 फ्रॉम 2 म्हटलं तरी चालेल किंवा 2 फ्रॉम 1 घेतलं तरी चालेल, तुमच्यावर राहील. ओके, बघा सबट्रॅक्ट इक्वेशन काय घेऊ, 1 घेऊ का 2 घेऊ, that depends on you. I write down here 1 from 2 or 2 from 1. 2 from 1. 1 from 2 घेतली म्हणजे बघा 2 from 1 म्हणजे काय, 2 मधनं 1 वजा करा, 1 मधनं 2 वजा करा. ओके, बघू आता सेम घेऊ. 2x minus 3y equal to 9. 2x plus y is equal to 13. We make the subtraction, give you a subtraction sign, minus sign. 2x minus 2x, I will give you a sign minus, minus, here is also minus. Now 2x get cancelled, plus 2x and minus 2x. Now here minus 3 and minus y means how many y? Minus 4y is equal to minus 13 plus 9 is equal to how many? 4, minus 4. Hence both sign is minus sign is comes, means minus sign get cancelled. We get here 4y is equal to 4. Hence y is equal to 4 divided by 4, y equal to 1. We find the value of y. Now we find the value of x. Put the value of y equal to 1 in equation 1 or 2. We put in equation number 2. Suppose put the value of x, value of y equal to 1 in equation 2. म्हणजे तुमच्यावर राहील, तुम्ही 1 मध्ये टाकली तरी चालेल, 2 मध्ये टाकली तरी चालेल. ओके, आपण 2 मध्ये टाकू आता. 2x plus y equal to 13. 2x plus 1 is equal to 13. Now 2x is equal to 13 minus 1. 2x equal to 12. Hence x equal to 12 upon 2. X equal to 6, because 2 1s are 2, 2 6 means we get the answer here. X equal to 6. Hence we write down our solution, that is a x comma y, that's equal to 6 comma 1. Okay, now this is the solution of our equation. Now similar example we are seeing. Our next example, this is our third example in your exercise number 1.1, second third. Now we goes to see the next example, that is a 5m minus, I will rub now that. Now next example, 5m minus 3n. 5m minus 3n is equal to 19, comma m minus 6n equal to minus 7. M minus 6n is equal to minus 7. Okay. Now we want to solve that example. If you observe, first we write down first equation, that is a 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. Equation number first. Now m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. This is our equation number 2. Now observe करा की या इक्वेशन मध्ये सहगुणक सारखे आहे का, कोएफिशिएंट सेम आहे का बघा बरं. If the coefficients are not same, then we have make the coefficients are same. If you observe coefficient of m 5 and 1 in second, if you observe the n minus 3 and minus 6. Now if you observe, we are trying to make the coefficient of n is equal or n is same. Otherwise that depends on you. If you say that we have make the coefficient of 5 m is same, that also right. तुम्ही जर म्हटले की आपल्याला m चे सहगुणक सारखे करायचे तरी चालेल, तुम्ही म्हटले की n चे करायचे तरी चालेल. पण सिंपल मी काय करतो, m चे सहगुणक सेम करतो. I will try to make the coefficient of m is same. Now multiplying which number multiplying by m we get the 5m. आपण m ला कशाने गुणलं म्हणजे 5m येईल, 5 ने. मग आपण काय करू, इथं सेकंड इक्वेशन कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करू, 5 ने. मग इथे लिहितो multiplying by 5 to equation 2 on both sides. Multiplying by 5 to equation 2 both sides. बोथ साइड इज इम्पॉर्टंट. बोथ साइड म्हणजे काय, दोन्ही बाजूंना आपल्याला काय करायचंय, मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. किंवा तुम्ही असं लिहिलं मल्टिप्लाइंग बोथ साइड बाय 5 टू इक्वेशन 2 असं लिहिलं तरी चालेल. ओके, दिस थिंग आय राइट डाउन हियर नाउ. मल्टिप्लाइंग बाय 5, multiplying both side by 5, multiplying both side by 5 of equation 2. Of equation 2. Okay. Now multiply करा बरं काय येतं मग 5 multiplying by m. How many m? 5m. 5 multiplying by 6 minus 30m equal to 5 7s are 35. How many 35? Minus 35. Now this is our equation number 3. Okay. Now you will observe the equation number 1. Okay. And these are equation number 3. Which equation I say that observe you? You can observe the equation number 1 and 3. In that 1st and 3rd equation, the coefficient of m is the same. And what is the sign of that? Sign is also same. Means we have make the subtraction. Subtract equation 3rd from equation 1st. Subtract equation 3rd from फर्स्ट. आपण काय करतोय थर्ड इक्वेशन काय करतोय सबट्रॅक्ट करतोय. ओके. मग काय इक्वेशन बघा 5m minus 3n 5m minus 3n is equal to 90 and that equation is a 5m minus 30n is equal to minus 35. We have made the subtraction. Please say it. Which thing we are making a subtraction. Here is a minus sign, here is a plus sign, here is again minus, here comes here plus. Now we are solve it. 5m get cancelled. Plus 30 minus 3. How many n we get here? 27n plus 27n is equal to. Make the addition 9 and 5 4. 1 is carry. 3 and 1 4, 4 and 1 5 means 54. If you see here 27n, I change the pen now. That is a 27n is equal to how many? 54. Now n is equal to how many then? N is equal to 54 divided by 27. Hence 27 1 are 27. 27 चा टेबल पार्ट असेल तुमचा 27 1 27 27 दुने 54. Okay. Means we get here n equal to 2. Now put the value of n equal to 2 in equation 1, 2 or 3. यांच्यापैकी कशातही पुट करा. ओके. मी सिंपल आहे सेकंड मध्ये पुट अप करतो. Put the value, put n equal to 2 in equation 2. What is equation number 2 our? M minus 6n is equal to minus 7. We put the value now. M minus 6 into 2 is equal to minus 7. M equal to minus 12 equal to minus 7. Now M is equal to minus 7 plus 12. M is equal to minus 7 plus 12 means 12 minus 7, that is comes our 5. Hence we get the answer M equal to 5. Hence we write down solution. Solution M comma n, that's equal to 5 comma 2. Now you try to solve the remaining examples similarly. Okay. Similar example you will try to solve at home now.